This is my LG washing machine. It kind of exploded last night. The basin is not necessarily sitting as it should. When I stand back, I can move it a significant amount. I've got plastic pieces that were all over my floor. This foot is missing, and this foot down here is bent. Oh, you can't see it without a light. This foot down here is bent a bit. Here we go. This side is no longer connected. It's all bent out, as well as the front. And this side, and then the back is out as well. It does not appear that the basin is cracked at all, but there is a piece of plastic. The lid lifts up on both sides and is no longer connected. And the machine was facing towards me, and when we found it, it was facing towards the wall.